Okay, today is January 20th, 2020. It's Martin Luther King holiday, and market is resume trading tomorrow morning. So let's take a look at the market quickly and see what we might expect for the coming week. You could see on this weekly chart here, finally broke through this megaphone channel and seems like it is heading toward this 3,400 here. And this is a 200%, basically 2x of this move here, the 2007 high to the 2009 low. So certainly this market have been running rampant up here, and a lot of people basically try to call the top and warn people that this market is going to fall flat on its face. We know it will, but it's a matter of when. And looking at the breadth, you could see that the breadth is not that strong on Friday. It's only finished with 136 more advanced than decliner, so that is just slightly about half of the issues. And you can see that it actually opened up near the 1200 more advanced than decliner, and then just kind of faded, went a little bit negative, and then come back up, and then faded again toward the close, and it just got a little pump on toward the end there. So and also the up-down volume is not that impressive. It's pretty much neutral. So you talking about a market that is actually pushing new high on Friday with this negative breadth or such a neutral breadth. Definitely the market is showing sign of fatigue. Take a look at the daily chart here on the SP 500. It is still moving on this 100% extension, the symmetry move, and that will bring it up to somewhere around this 3368 area, although there is this 3340 from this particular move here, this swing here, so to get this extension up. So we'll keep an eye on that 161, that 3340 area. And then taking a look at the ES, we'll take a look at the ES, the E-mini S&P 500 is still continue to march higher and eventually get up to that 3372. The market profile for the ES. Now, if you're interested in how to generate this chart on the Thinkorswim platform, I did put out a video to show you how to do that. And I will put that link on the description below if you're interested to go watch that video and see how you could generate this thing. Because right now we're basically looking at a new high here. Right, so this is Martin Luther King Day, so we're not going to count that. And this is the point of control from Friday. And if the Globex is up here, and tomorrow if the Globex, the regular trading hour open up somewhere around here, I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing come down, right? Tag this point of control and work its way back down to clean up some of these, the pull high and the single print down here. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at. But if it closed down here, then we might see it to work back up here to test this point of control and possibly go and take out the all-time high. But with the weakness that the market breadth show on Friday, I'm more inclined to keep an eye on the possibility of a little bit of a pullback tomorrow when we resume trading. But hey, anything is possible, right? Just a scenario here. So you can see that there are quite a number of, these pull low and point of control that need to be tagged. So certainly there are room for it to fall, but right now it doesn't seem like it is getting ready to come down yet. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and help me smash that YouTube algorithm, and be sure to click on that, subscribe and the notification icon. Thanks for watching.